Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to return items on Roblox and get Robux back. Okay, first things first, you need to pinpoint the item or game pass you want to refund. Check your inventory, avatar, or game passes you own to decide which ones you want to return. Make sure also to note down the exact name of the item or game pass. After that, click on the settings logo at the top and select Help. Once you are here, click on any topic within the Help section. Look for the blue link that says Contact Support just above the Was this article helpful section. Once you found it, click on it. In here, fill out the contact form with the following details: your Roblox username, your email, about which item or game pass you want to refund, your device, and select purchases using Roblox as the type of help. Choose website item if refunding an item, or choose an experience item if refunding a game pass. Explain why you want a refund also. And lastly, provide information about your purchase, such as when you bought it and what it was called. Make sure to provide accurate and honest information so that Roblox team support will be able to accept your refund request as soon as possible. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now return items on Roblox and get Robux back. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.